Presenting from Seattle apartment, project 2025A. One for the project 2025A, which I am giving away in a random name drawing at the end of its completion. So make sure to direct message me or comment that you would like to be entered for it. Step one is to test out. So all this wrapping that came with the new mattress that I brought in to the new apartment could be recycled, and if it doesn't work, I will recycle it. But step one, I'm going to test out decoupage pressed flowers on it as a flat surface. So we'll see how that works. I'll post some pictures in the video in the comments here.